Can you burp the baby? Oh, that's so nice. Now give the baby the Heimlich. Yes, it's hard work having a baby. It's tiring. Baby?
Baby.